Hello, dear children. Welcome to your online class. This is your subject teacher of English, and today we're going to explain how to write this exercise of chapter 16 in your notebook. So, student, first of all, you all take out your homework copy and you have to mention chapter 16 and chapter name. So, the chapter name is on, in, under, and over. So, student, in this chapter, we have to learn the uses of on, in, under, and over. We know that we use word on, in, under, and over to know where something or someone is. Okay, student? So let's do the exercises. So first of all, here is the exercise. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks using on, in, under, or over. So student, here is first. The girl is dash on the chair, so we have to use on. Okay, next the baby is dash the cradle, so we have to use in. In number third, the bird flew over the branch, so we have to use over. Okay, next number four, the cup is on the saucer. Okay, and number five, we have to use the monkey is dash the table, so the monkey is under the table. After that, next number 6. In number 6, the books are dash the table. So student, we have to write on. Okay. In number 7, the books are dash the bag. So we have to write in. Number 8, the man is sleeping under the tree. We have to use the word under. After that, number 9. In number 9, the girl held the umbrella dash her head. So we have to use the word over. O-V-E-R, over. Okay, student. Now come to the next. Next is exercise C. In exercise C, look at the picture and answer this question. Look at the picture and answer this question. So here our first question is, where are the fruits? So student, you have to write the question, where are the fruits? So we have seen on the book that fruits are on the table, so we have to write the answer, the fruits are on the table. The fruits are on the table. Next question is, where are the vegetables? Where are the vegetables? So we have to write the answer, the vegetables are in the basket. Okay, student? Now come to the next. Next question number 3. Where are the books? Where are the books? So we have to write the answer. The books are in bookshelf. Okay? Bookshelf. Come to the next, number 4. Question number 4. Where is the dog sleeping? Where is the dog sleeping? So we have to write the answer. The dog is sleeping under the tree. Okay, student? Now number 5. Where is the umbrella? Where is the umbrella? So we have to write answer. The umbrella is over the head. Okay, after completing exercise A and B, now come to the next exercise, which is exercise D. So student, you have to write exercise D. So let's do it. In exercise D, correct these sentences. So student, you can see there is a sentence already given in your book. You have to write it correct way. Okay, you have to write this sentence in correct way to using on, in, over, and under. Okay, so first, I keep my marbles over a bag. So we have to use I keep my marbles in a bag. Okay, in is a correct. Second, Nancy is under the bedroom. So we have to write Nancy is in the bedroom. Come to the next, number 3. In number 3, there is a sentence, the castle is in the hills. So we have to write on the place of in, we have to use word on. Okay, the castle is on the hills. After that, come to the next, number 4. The dustbin is on the sink. So student, here are the word on is incorrect. We have to use under. Okay, we have to use the word under. So after that, we have to write the dustbin is under the sink. The dustbin is under the sink. Now come to the next, number 5. In number 5, the sentence is, the library is in the 4th floor. So student, here are given word in is incorrect. We have to use on. Okay. So we have to write the library has on the 4th floor. Okay. The library is on the 4th floor. Now come to the next. Number 6. In number 6, I placed the vase over the table. I placed the vase over the table. So we have to write this sentence in correct way. I placed the vase on the table. We have to use on. Okay. We have to use on in the place of over. So I placed the vase on the table. After that, come to the next. Number 7. In number 7, the fan is under the head. So student, here are the given word under is wrong. Okay, we have to use the into the place of under over. Okay, we have to use word over. So the sentence will be, the fan is over the head. The fan is over the head. Now come to the next. Next, in number 8. Number 8 is, keep your bag in the chair. Keep your bag in the chair. So the word in is incorrect. We have to use the word on. Keep your bag on the chair. Okay student. Now come to the next. Next, number 9. In number 9, my aunt lives on New York. So we have to use in. My aunt lives in New York. Okay, like this we have to write number 9. Come to the 10. The cat hide on the table. The cat hide on the table. So we have to write, the cat hide under the table. Okay student. Now come to the next. Next is number 11. Keep the lunch box in the table. So we have to use word on in the place of in. So keep the lunch box on the table. After that, next is number 12. In number 12, 4 of us slept over the bed. So we have to write this sentence, 4 of us slept on the bed. We have to use on in the place of over. Okay student. So like this we have to complete exercise A, B, A, C and D in our notebook with a good handwriting. Let's revise again this exercise D. So we have to write in number 1, I keep my marbles in a bag. In second, Nancy is in the bedroom. Third is, the castle is on the hills. Number 4, the dustbin is under the sink. Number 5, the library is on the 4th floor. Next, number 6, I place the vase on the table. 7th is, the fan is over the head. Number 8 is, keep your bag on the chair. After that, next, number 9, my aunt lives on New York. Number 10, in number 10 we have to write, the cat hide under the table. Next, number 11, we have to write, keep the lunchbox on the table. And at last, number 12, we have to write, 4 of us slept on the bed. The student, I hope is that too clear to you how could write your exercise in SW copy with a good handwriting. Student, I hope this is that clear. Okay, so till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep doing your study very well. Student, you have complete your exercises in your book and also in your homework copy. Okay student, so take care, bye.